a big day, isn't it?
For me it is, yes.
She gets a license today.
Yes.
She gets a certificate today.
Yes.
She's gone and got herself a drone.
Just a little one. One that I don't feel like I'll go to prison, Neil prison, if I lose or break it.
Yeah, because I've never lost any drones, mate. Never lost them at all.
Right, there's always different. You know, if Neil loses a drone, it's absolutely perfectly fine. But if Emma breaks or loses something, oh, there's hell to pay.
So, right, bear with us because Emma's never, ever, ever, ever flown a drone before. So this should be quite interesting. And yeah, we're going to show you something that DJI have brought out, basically catered
for Emma's beginners, basically. People who are learning, people who are new, people that don't know what they're doing.
But that doesn't mean that the quality is any lower than what the high-end stuff is, because it's not. But we're going to get it out and we'll show you.
Yay!
And the drone as well.
What? So this is the DJI Lito X1. And it's a small drone. It's under 250 grams. 249
grams to be precise. So, well under the limit that we need in the UK and Europe.
As with most of the DJI drones, it comes with a cover for your camera and your lens there.
And as well, when you take that cover off, I'll let you do that. I think you just squeeze the bottom and it pulls off. There you go. Now, it does have front-facing LiDAR. So what that does is obstacle
avoidance.
That's the one. It will see things and it will stop you from hitting them.
That's going to be good for me.
Good for anyone, to be honest. It does have 4K recording and 8K image quality as well, and a 1 and 1.3 inch sensor as well. So really good photos, really good video.
And mega light.
Yeah. Also, what else have you got on your pad?
Right, so I also have a controller with a screen on, so you don't have to attach your phone to it.
No more of that messing around with controllers and screens and wires and, oh, is this charged, is that charged? No, all done.
That's kind of what was putting me off, because the ones I'd seen, I know you've got the bigger ones, but they're a bit scary for me. But the ones you've seen, do you know where you've got to attach your phone and then download the software and do this and do that? It's kind of putting me off playing with them, to be fair.
And then also, it does have a battery in the drone, but with the kit we've got, comes with 2 spare batteries and all the cables that you'd need, and spare blades in the little carry case as well.
Nice little carry case that
as well. So we don't need this, you just need that and that, and off you go.
Okay.
Go fly.
All right.
Do you know what to do?
No, not yet. I'm going to learn.
Right, we'll get there.
I'm assuming you turn the on button on.
Well, not necessarily, but we'll show you. Right, so we've turned the controller on, as you can see there. You might be able to see it. Nice LCD screen controller. So to basically activate your drone, just open the legs. So pull your top ones out first.
Top ones?
Yeah, they just slide out. And then your bottom ones flick under. There you go. Flick under. Now once you've flicked it under, right, if it doesn't come on automatically, your button on the back, press it once, then press it again and hold it in. There we go. Do. And that's it, now turned on. So now,
I feel like a teenager.
It will automatically connect to the controller. Is it connected?
I think so, because I've got it, preparing to take off.
There's you.
There is me, hello.
It also will do active track as well. So if you want to follow a subject around, you can do all that. It does also have a return to home as well, which is also a bonus. Now, on the very back of the controller, you have 2 buttons. That one is for recording video. That one is for taking a photo. And then you have 2 little wheels as well on the very back. See where your fingers are?
Yes, there.
Right, so them wheels, one will be to tilt. You just try one. Try the other one.
So that's...
See the camera tilting down?
Up and down.
So that will tilt the camera up and down like that. Dead simple. And then the other one will be your zoom lens in and out.
Okay.
So, right, now, let's stand back a little bit, eh?
Okay.
So, to take off,
yes,
you hold your 2 sticks, that one into that corner and that one into that corner.
So that way.
Right, now let go. Right, now your left one, just your left stick, just push that up a little bit. Go on, keep going. Right, now you're up in the air, now let go. And that will stay where it is because it's connected to GPS and things like that, and then wind, you can push it and it'll return back to where it's meant to go. It will always go, it'll always stay if Emma doesn't touch the controls where it was. Press your back button to record.
Yeah.
She is now in normal mode. On your controller you'll have, what have you got?
I've got cinematic mode, normal mode and sports mode.
Dead simple, dead easy. Right, tell you what, put it into cinematic mode. What cinematic mode does is, it makes the drone go really slow.
Ah, okay.
So try and do it really slow. So to go round in a circle, right? So push forwards. So go forward on your left, right? And then use this one to turn. So keep that one pushed forward.
This might take a little while and a bit of practice, I think.
So see that one there?
Yeah.
And then we can turn right. So Emma is learning. She's never flown a drone before. So we're trying to get the basics down. But with something like this type of drone, because of the price range on it and because it's built by DJI, so you've got all the safety features on DJI, you've got all the stuff that you need. You have to return to home. If you're panicking, just press a button, it'll come back to you. It's kind of the perfect drone for if you want to learn, or you don't want to spend loads of money on a drone because you're a little bit frightened of them. This one is perfect for it. So, right, let Emma have a little play and see what she thinks. Right, so Emma's had a bit of a play with it. What do you think?
I like it.
It'll take some getting used to when it does, but we've now got to the point where, what's going on?
My battery level's died, so I've
Right.
been playing with it for a good half hour. And because the battery level's low, it's returning home.
And we're doing nothing, right? We're doing nothing. Right, so it will return to home. And then it will start to land. Right, so to land it, pull your left trigger. To land it, pull your left trigger all the way down. Right, keep it going, keep it going. That's it. I mean, it was an unconventional landing because we are in long grass, but that's not your fault, that's just where we are.
I was just going to say, it gave the grass a little bit of a cut there.
Yeah, but it is, I think it's the perfect drone for people who want to begin and want to learn, because you had it in cinematic mode, didn't you? How did you find it?
Cinematic mode is quite slow, but to learning, I think that's really, really good, because you can get your bearings, because it's a bit different learning which way your toggles are going.
Also as well, for me, who I started off like flying helicopters years ago, so I get quite frustrated when I'm teaching people things.
Yeah, he's horrendous.
I'm not the best teacher, and I'll openly admit I am not the best teacher in the world, because I expect someone to pick things up and be able to do it. So I forget.
To be fair, we didn't fight this time.
No,
you did snap.
Yeah,
but we didn't fight.
But there's a lot to take into consideration. Like, you know, you've got one stick that goes up and down, it turns it left and right. You've got one stick that will move it left and right and spin it around and go up and down. You've got your camera to take into. There's a lot to take into consideration. But at any point, you can just stop what you're doing.
That is really, really good, that you can just stop and get your bearings and then figure out where you are and then turn it round. And
if you're like, do you know what, I've scared myself, I've had it too much, you press the return to home button and it will just come back to you and it will land. And you can't ask for any more than that. Plus, it's coming from DJI, and we all know, I know, because I've got every single drone you've ever put out, that the products are just great and they work properly. We've had other drones, and what have happened to them?
you've lost them and you've broke them.
We had one in the Verdon Gorge, which was a great little drone.
It didn't return back. It went missing.
It just, we had it.
You lost a
up.
lot of footage, didn't you, as
Yeah,
well?
we had
That
a
was the
hell
other
of a
thing.
lot of footage. We had it up above the Verdon Gorge, and it was non-responsive. It wouldn't, we could still see the feed. It wouldn't go up, wouldn't come down, wouldn't do nothing. It was just stuck there. So there's a drone in the Verdon Gorge somewhere, just sat there with a load of footage on. But what are your initial thoughts after? I know it's only your first go, so it's a bit like your head's a bit discombobulated, but
Mine is the teacher. I really like it. The teacher was a bit mean. No, but to be fair, once you get your head around something, this is really, really easy to use, because you have just got simple little levers here.
It's getting used to the
And then-
controllers.
Yeah, and then when someone's calling something a different name each time, what? But no, it's really, really easy. It's lightweight.
So give me that now. Get your drone. Right, so now you're going to change the battery.
Okay, so I think push these in.
Yeah, and pull. There you go. You got it? Right, so plonk that in there.
That's really warm.
Yeah, these do get warm. Take yourself another one out. Plonk it in.
That easy.
So press it once, then hold it in until they come on. So take your controller. It should automatically connect again.
Okay.
Right, now if you remember how to take off,
Push all the way
both sticks.
Home point updated.
down.
Yep, both sticks down and in. Right, let go.
Take off.
And then your left button,
Left button.
sorry, your left,
Yeah.
turn that, push that up. Off she goes again.
Updated.
Right, I'm going to let Emma play, and we will leave all the links in the description. It's only a short one, this, because we've got festival stuff to do, and we wanted to show you this because it's a new little toy. So she's got 2 more batteries to go, and look at her flying like a pro. There's a button on there with a pause and a H.
Which is just there.
So if you hold that button in,
Which I'm going to do now.
Return to home.
right, let go, right, and you can just do nothing, and if you look at the screen, it'll show you a track of where your home is. It will always give you on screen a picture of where your home point is. So that will come back to home, and it will come down to a certain level that you set in the back end. I know it's landing now. There's an X on your screen there, press
you
that.
can-
Right, so that's stopped landing now, but the drone
Has returned back.
has returned back to home.
Yes.
So now what you can do is, there's also another thing it does, which is it will follow obstacles, right? You've got a focus track, okay? Press OK, and then put your camera that way a little bit. Right, stop there. Now, I'm going at your recording, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm going to go into screen on the camera, and then what you're going to do is, you're going to put a square around me with your fingers on the screen. You're going to
Okay.
draw a square around me. But tell me when I'm in shot.
Stop. You're in shot.
Right, so if you draw a square, is it making a green square?
Yeah.
Right, what's it saying?
Focus track enabled.
Right, so if I move,
Yeah.
is it following me?
It is following you. Yeah. That's
you-
really cool.
You can use that to follow cars, obstacles, things like that, and then that will follow me.
That's really, really cool, actually. I like that.
And then you just press the X, and
And
that
that stops
cancels
it.
it off. Yeah,
Awesome.
clever,
Yes. Very clever.
happy,
Yes.
fist bump me,
Gently fist bump you.
gently,
Gently. Boom.
boom. So right, what is it? The DJI
Lito X1.
X1.
But there is another version
There's
as well.
the Lito.
One.
Lito 1, yes.
Yeah, so there are 2 versions of this. And the only difference between them is the camera and the obstacle sensor. I
Obstacle
think.
sensing.
But
This, in my opinion, is the better one. There's the Lito X1, which is the one we've got, and then there's the Lito 1. To be honest, with the price difference in them, you're probably better going for the Lito X1 because it gives you a little bit more safety, a little bit of a better camera, and above all, you'll have a better experience,
yes. Right. Shall I bring it down?
if you want.
Okay.
Right, so we've had the maiden flight. Fold your antennas in, double press and hold to turn that off. Press once and then hold in. That's turned off. Now, fold your legs in.
So
your
the
front
underneath ones
fold under.
fold under first.
Yeah, that's it. And then your top ones fold in.
Side in.
And then these things are normally a nightmare.
Okay.
But DJI have kind of got it boxed off now where they just clip on. There you go. Done.
Okay. It's just clipped on.
And then that can go back in your box, making sure that your propellers are all kind of tucked away.
I'm going to be having hours of fun just when Neil's not around though.
It is something that you've kind of got to just take out yourself and play with. I don't think being with someone who can fly a drone unless they're really patient, which is sadly not me, and I completely own the fact that I'm not patient at all.
No.
You would have no problem taking that out and flying it. I don't think you'd have any problem at all.
No, I actually didn't feel scared at any point. There was only one point where I was over the main road and I was like, oh, I don't quite like that. So I stopped and I brought it back.
Yeah.
So
It's a good, as a beginner learner drone.
I think it's really good.
Yeah.
Because I struggle with the bigger ones. So like Neil's gone, oh, fly this or fly that. And I'm like, that's a few £1,000s worth of equipment there. If I lose it or break it, I'd be beside myself.
Yeah, but it's a great little drone. So, yeah, again, links in the description.
Thank you very much.
We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Ta-ta from us two pilots.